Yeah.
This is the bluest lake that they have here. Apparently the steaks are really good here.
No, we had a AAA steak at the restaurant.
Sean had some bulgogi yesterday at a Korean restaurant. Was it Korean? It was Vietnamese and Chinese and Korean food and Filipino food on the menu. And I had chicken yakitori and Sean had beef bulgogi. It was very good. Highly recommend.
So it's AAA Alberta steak.
Oh yeah, the AAA USD.
Not USD.
Not USD because we're not in US. Never mind. AAA Alberta. Grass-fed, organic cows.
Like,
No, was it?
They didn't describe all of it. It's supposed to be the top notch.
Yeah. Best cut of beef. Because they're well known for their steaks here. Okay, as we get closer to the base of the waterfall, it's starting to feel a little misty. It is also feeling pretty breezy, cool. Got Brody in the back, Laiyah, and Donna and Brody. Here's the waterfall.